Hi there, my name is Nelson and I'm going to present you a video about big data. Well, basically, companies are using big data to manage big volumes of information through advanced analytic techniques against very large, diverse data sets that include structured, semi-structured, and structured data from different sources and in different size from terabytes to terabytes. Uh, to implement big data, basically we have here three steps. The first one is integrating multiple big data strategies. Uh, Here we have two examples, like social analytics, performance management. Another one is build a big data company. It depends on the activity that the companies in what the companies moves and which kind of information the company manages. Uh, Build a big data. The second step is build a big data capability. The roles, technologies, processes, and culture needed to support big data initiatives. Here, the company needs the collaboration of the whole, basically the whole staff. That includes business analysts, the IT staff, the engineers and things like that, so to give advice about which technologies and which kind of data are going to manage, and be proactive and create a big data policy. Well, it's needless to say that information, especially in companies, are very delicate, so they need to be very well cared and they need to be secure. And next, we are going to show you the software that we're going to use, which is Cassandra. It's a high scalable, high performance distributed database. It's free database designed to handle large. So I'm going to show you the software Cassandra, which I installed here in VirtualBox. I installed it in Windows 7. So let's open it. It's here. This is the installer, which you can just find it in the Cassandra website. And then I already installed it, and I'm going to open the SQL shell, which is to write commands and create database and things like that. And also it has a graphical user interface, which we can find it here, which is called OPS Center. Let's have a look how it looks. For some reason, it doesn't work with Internet Explorer. We have to go to Firefox. And we'll see the interface that the Cassandra uses. We can see here, we can see the data, we can see the nodes that we have here. We have only one node, which is this one that I'm using. Data, we don't have any data yet. Activities, and yeah. Now we are going to create a table, which are going to need, we are going to need the command line. Now, well, here we're going to start the process of creating a table. First, we create a space. We call it a key space. We created people. Replication cost, simple strategy, replication factor, which is the number of clusters that we need. Right? Let's put it. But request enabled to find replication strategy. So I'm going to fix it. I just corrected the command. Let's see if it works. Yeah. Now, the following step is we're going to describe key space people. So we type here describe. Oops. Describe key space people. Now we type use people. Now we create a table. Now we type describe table. And here we just describe the table. Here we have the table here. And now we have to type, we're going to insert some information uh, into the table. So we're going to type insert into insert into now I just created I just put some information into the table. I just put my name here. You can see it here, and we just I just made up an email address which starts with my ID student number and with an ID which was the old name of a university. Now we're going to see uh, well what we have done from the table. Select all from employees. Oops. Select all from employees. Now we can see the information here that we just created. Now we are going to the interface of data center, We are going to refresh again. Uh, we are going to be able to see some activity. Here we can see people, which is our database, which is the table that we just created. And here we can see the information I just entered. All the commands are here. Um, and we can see some activity going on here. All right. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Hello, my name is Nelson, and now we're going to look at the technological Internet of Things. Well, Internet of Things is the network of physical devices, vehicles, home appliances, and other items embedded with electronic software and sensor actuators, and connectivity which enables these things to connect, collect, and exchange data. What does Digitech need to implement IoT? Digitech, our company of the business case. Well, it needs to determine an IoT-based solution. Choose a platform that fit the needs of Digitech, which could be TinyCo, which is the software that we're going to use. Use a basic IoT solution development kit and build a strong IoT ecosystem. And the software that we're going to use for this project is called Tiny Core Linux, which is a minimal Linux operating system focusing on providing a base system using VCBox and VLTK. Now let's go to the software. We're going to see the software called TinyCo. Let's open it. Yeah, we have here TinyCo. Now we are going to look at some applications that TinyCo uses to secure the information and the hardware that we could be using. So now we are going to look at the software. We got system apps, and then we look for a specific app, which is called TCE. Yeah, and we can see that TCE is a utility for verifying the integrity of each installed extension. What it does is verify it detects and knows viruses, make sure that the installation files are secure, it makes sure the files in a removable storage device are secure, and it check out the security status of the system as well. It find out the virus source, and it yeah, basically it's just a software for security. You can set it up and you can make your system more secure. Now I'm going to see another application as well that it uses, which is called iScript. I think, yeah, it's here. iScript is an advanced file encryption software. What it does, well, it can safely secure the most sensitive files, and it secured all the information that may travel around your system, such as well, you'll be installing security cameras, you'll be installing security devices, then they need to be connected and they will communicate and they will send information, and that information needs to be secure, need to be encrypted. So yeah, you can set up this application and run them on your system. Now, another feature we could do is to make our system secure. Is we can change the password. So to change the password, you just go to terminal. You just go to the FTC file, and you can type pswd, and here you can change the password. So to make your system much more secure. And well, that's it with the Internet of Things technology, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Hi there, my name is Nelson. Now I'm going to show the cloud services. Well, cloud services is the delivery of computing services, servers, storage, database, networking, software analytics, intelligence, and more over the internet, the cloud, to offer faster innovation, flexible resources, and economies of scale. What I'm an, what a company, my company, which is Digitech, need if the company wants to implement the services. Well, it needs educate the team, make it cloud first for any resource or new project, move test and development to the public cloud, review your IT maintenance schedule, organize a cross-functional project planning team, hire an expert provider to spearhead the project, which is in this case will be us. We are the IT experts, and plan your ongoing cloud support needs and build your migration and integration project plan. For this project, I'm going to use the software called OutCloud, which is an open source. It's free, can be downloaded from internet. So let's go to open the software. I download the software uh, and install it in an Ubuntu server. So it's already installed here. Let's turn it on. And for this one, I'm going to use, well, the on cloud server, and I'm going to use an Ubuntu virtual machine as well. So let's wait until the server initiates. Well, here it's asking me for my user login, which I call it on cloud, and a password, and that's it. I'm into the system, so I need to know the IP address, so I can access. I can put the IP address in the browsers, and then, well, this is the IP address, 192.168.0.44. So let's go to the Ubuntu virtual machine, and let's go to the browser, and let's type it. Let's type the IP address of our on-cloud server. It's already here. As you can see, the website of the on-cloud shows up immediately. So I just have to type the user that I created, which is Nelson, my name, and the password. So here we can see uh, the interface or the main page of the uncloud. We can see favorite. We can share with you. Shouldn't contain anything. Uh, Share with others and share by link and all files. So now I'm going to my host machine and I'm going to open my own cloud from my host machine. This is my host machine. I'm going to do the same. Yeah, it's here. Let's type the user and the password. So now we can see the main page of our own cloud. Now I'm going to upload a file. I'm going to upload a photo that I have in my desktop of my host of my personal computer. Uh, let's upload this one. Yep, it's already uploaded. So now I'm going to my VirtualBox. I'm going to my Ubuntu virtual machine, and I'm going to refresh the web page. Upload, and here the photo shows up here. Let's click to download it. And it's here. Alright, thanks very much and see you in the next video.